Hi guys, I am Anne. You guys know me here on the YouTube channel. I'm also MoxieLash's video vixen, and I wanted to share with you guys my best beauty tip. So my best beauty tip has to do with eyebrows, and I feel like maybe sometimes if you're in a hurry or if you don't wear a lot of makeup in general, the eyebrows are kind of left out, and they're such a huge part of shaping your face. And I always fill my brows no matter how much makeup I'm gonna wear, even if I'm not gonna wear any at all, really. Sometimes I just go in and fill my brows really quickly just because it gives your face shape and helps like define all of your features. So don't forget about your brows.
Hi you guys, I'm Kendra and I'm the content queen here at MoxieLash. My biggest beauty / makeup tip is to highlight your face. So I'm 37 and anything that I can do to kind of pop out the shadows that happen by way of aging and maturing skin is absolutely essential. So along the folds right next to my mouth, I use a concealer that's a half a shade lighter than my foundation. I also apply that right underneath my eyes as well. And then I use a highlighter like this one. It doesn't have any sparkle. It has a lot of glow, but no sparkle. And I apply that right above my cheekbones, above my brows, right down my nose, along my chin, above my cupid's bow, and then right here in the corner of my eye. And that's what I swear by. Try it out.
What's up guys, it's Natt City, MoxieLash's social queen, and my beauty tip for you would be to make sure that you're always washing your brushes and also hydrate your skin before applying any makeup.
Hi, my name is Ashley and I am the marketing magician for MoxieLash. And my beauty tip for you today is exercising. And I know what you're thinking, you're like, wait, what does exercising have to do with beauty? So I'll tell you. I exercise around 5 to 6 times a week. Even now, being in quarantine, I'm still doing my at-home workouts. And yes, of course, I'm doing it for my health and wellness. Also, beauty-wise, I notice the difference in my skin tone when I'm working out consistently and regularly. My skin tone's usually more radiant, it has a glow to it, I have a more even skin tone, and that's probably because of the increased oxygenation and blood flow and circulation that happens when you're working out on a consistent basis. And also, I do hear that exercising can help with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So there you have it, there's my beauty tip.
Hey guys, this is B. Welcome to my bathroom. I want to share with you guys a pro tip that I like for liner in general. And this goes for people who ask, how do I not get liner on my actual lashes? I got you. I'm gonna show you. So I like to use a handheld mirror, but you can use a handheld mirror, you can use a palette or your MoxieLash kit, whatever you have that has a mirror. You place it right here underneath your chin. You look straight down. You get your liner, and as you're looking straight down and you're placing it right here in small, short strokes, it doesn't have to be a MoxieLash liner because you apply the MoxieLash liner before you place the lashes. But if you're applying liner in general and you don't want to get it on your natural lashes, what you have to do is mirror, chin, look under, short strokes, and you're not going to get any liner on your lashes. Guarantee it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below, and we will see you in our next video.